What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and I'm sure by the box you guys can already tell what we're going to be unboxing today. Now we do have our vicrez Mudflaps, and this is for the front and rear, and this VZ for this is vz102102, and this is for the Dodge Charger Widebody fitting 2020 models to 2023. And that's pretty much it for fitment notes. Now let's go ahead and open this. Now, you can get these Mudflaps customized with different vinyl types. So we have several different vinyl types on the website. And this is front and rear. So we do have the front here. The front is the rounded one, so it's kind of rounded. And the rear is kind of like a rectangle on the end. And it's kind of square shaped. So that's how you can tell the front from the rear. And then this texture side here, if you do get it vinyled, won't be here. It will have vinyl over it. So we have several different vinyls like carbon fiber, dry carbon, carbon flash metallic, and several other ones like matte black, gloss black, and so on and so forth to fit whatever build theme you're going with. And then also included in here, you do have a pamphlet for install as well as the install tape, and we do throw a free lanyard in there just for you guys so that you have some accessories, something to hold your keys on, whatever you want to use it for. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more products just like this one or an install video on this one, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Other than that, it's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one. Peace.